got some holes that you want to waterproof in a pavement area or patio area, what I would recommend is use some white cement. Just get some white cement powder and some water, mix it so that it's still pretty wet. It's got to be able to flow, and then just let it run into the hole and squeeze it. There's a hole. Let it run into the holes and squeeze it into the hole. There's another bit of a hole. This stuff, white cement, if it's a good quality brand, it really dries very, very hard, and it's excellent for waterproofing. Of course, this cement, the longer that it takes to dry, the harder it will be. So if you want it to be really strong, you can keep it wet. Thank you for watching. Do follow and share this.